Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. So today we will continue with the development of the sort of CloudBash history app. So I'm trying to stream to 3 different services. Um, hi everyone here. Oops, hi. Oops, damn it. Okay, okay, YouTube. I'm trying to log in on Twitch. I'm also streaming there, but it just can't sign in. Okay, come on, do it. Hi everyone, welcome to the stop that. Okay, I think it worked. Okay, someone is watching me on Twitch, so that's good. I will also keep an eye on chats on YouTube and Twitch as usual. Okay, works there. Okay, let's go. Basically, the app is starting to look somewhat, well, somewhat less alpha stage. It's sort of works already. It can upload comments. It can do basic data application. There is very, as you can see, um, well, there isn't much design, but you can see there is some sort of a proto profile. I haven't tried using the app in the wild. For some reason, I forgot to I always forgot to enable this. Plus, I'm developing, so I'm kind of worried about sharing something that isn't supposed to be public. And when you're developing it, it's so easy to fuck up and share it. I guess. Well, yeah. So I guess it's necessary to sort of clean up the client part. Right, so there is client and let's use argparse. Let's use argparse to parse everything from clients. Let's make this a function. Setup login. Right, so let's put it here. Let's do the main. Let's create a main because it makes sense. Okay. Right, and then let's put something like if name equals to main. We are going to. Actually, it doesn't really make sense to, but there is a fork close. Oh yeah, well, let's think about how this should work. I don't know actually. So let's go and use argparse for parsing arguments. It's a really nice model. It's pretty cool. Okay, not okay. Let's we need this version. Let's put it here. Okay. Parser parser. We can type something here. And now we can try launching the client. Okay, says nothing. But now there is the minus h option, and it can show us something. So that's nice. The next thing that we need is a bunch of arguments. So let's make a username, host, and API key. Let's make them arguments. Add arguments, API key. Let's add arguments. Actually, no, wait a second. It's not argument. Maybe it's an option. Okay, I don't know. Let me check it. Oh, I know. We need to prefix it with double dash. And oh yeah, let me check the subreddit, by the way. Okay. Please add pop-up for video frame because it's very hard to. Oh, okay, sure thing. So you want to pop like the similar function here, right? So you want this thing, but for video, right? Okay, sure thing. Okay. What do we need now? Let me. Why there are many Vim users? I don't know. I like Vim. I use it. Vim is a great editor. That's why there are many Vim users. So what was I going to do? Okay. Yeah. Let's add API key here. Let's add host here, and we can provide key. Here's sync API key. We can provide help here. And here's sync host. And we can provide default values. So we can say that the default host should be http sync.app.com and user. And your GitHub/hitsync username. And there is no default, so let's remove this. So now we have parser arg parse, and we can extract arguments from here. Let's call this upload comment. Username, host, username, API key. Shall repeat command ID. Well, okay. Command ID. Command ID. Let's create here. Let's move that here. So basically, I'm just doing some refactoring. I feel like it can be written in a more clean fashion. So basically, let's have plot command. Function. Let's also let's create a function, something like parse history output return m group 1, m group 2. So history ID is going to be history ID common text is going to be equal to parse history out. And so yeah, basically doing some refactoring. Command ID is going to be equal to this thing. Let's actually fork somewhere here. Help it user equals to args. Okay, let's add arguments. History output of history minus output of history 1, and there is no default, so user is going to be equal to args user. API key is going to be equal to args API key. Host is going to be equal to args host. And maybe it's a bit of boilerplate, but I prefer let's move this down here. So let's just make let's just parse everything in parent process. Let's see how much time does this take. Okay, so we have host here, username. Yeah. Set up logging and upload comments. Host username, API key, comment ID. Okay, let's now test the performance of this thing. Parse history output x exactly one comment. Okay, parse history output. Parse history output. Connection aborted. So starting new HTTP connection. Node name nor server isn't provided. Yeah, by the way, I need to go away from keyboard for a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm back. So let me turn on the light. So it says something is wrong, but I guess we can fix that. Let's just do one set prompt comment until we properly debug this thing. And yeah, let's see what's going on here. Host, username, PI key, comment ID. Maybe I guess it should print an error because there is not enough comments. Oh, wait a second. I have an idea. How do we make required arguments? Okay, maybe we need to add something like action. I don't remember this thing. parse required argument. Okay, there is required keyword. So we basically need to mention that required is equals to true here. So let's make all these arguments required. Okay, so now it says that API key is required, which is great. Let's see how we can provide this. To show API key. This user me, which means host. No, we don't need host. Actually, host isn't required. Because we have the default value, we don't really need to require anything from host. Wait a second. Okay, let's remove this. How does this thing is called? I mean, host plus scheme. I have no idea. Oh, host. I don't remember. Okay, let's call it host for now. Non-type object has no attribute group. Okay, let's try printing print args history outlook. Wait a second. History output should be taken from the parameters. So let me check if it worked. Okay, it did work. This is great. I need to know a name for host plus scheme. Okay. Some people might decide to use HTTPS. Okay. Let's see. Looks pretty similar. So, guess it works now. Let's update it. Let's move it here. Let's see what we can do now. We can now generate. The command in the profile. Let me show what I mean. let's just put it export prompt command. This. Fist sync client file. Let's remove it. Let's rename it that way. Fist sync client.py API key minus user. Current user API key minus user current user name. Right. Let's insert this. Okay, now let's do move client.py fist sync client.py. It's coming this thing. Yeah, okay. Client cleanup. Okay, so now we have a working client. Let's deploy this into GitHub. So this is really nice. The app definitely is starting to look like beta stage. We definitely need to use something else as an ID. Okay, it didn't deploy yet. Let me check what's going on here and here. Okay, so in principle, you may decide to test the application. I will be happy if you do this, if you actually start using it. And I'm actually going to start using it today too. So it says common trend to your .bashrc. It nicely puts API key here. Yeah, so basically, So, can I put this into bashrc? Maybe it's not bashrc. I don't know. Should it be bashrc? I always forget which one is which. So the bash profile, and bash profile as bashrc, and I'm never able to remember which one is which because one of them isn't executed, one of them isn't sourced when you create non-interactive shells. Bash profile is executed for login shells, while bashrc executed for interactive non-login shells. Okay. An exception to the terminal window guidelines is macOS X terminal app, which runs a login shell by default for each new terminal window calling bash profile instead of bar.bashrc. Other GUI and terminal emulators might do the same. Okay. Okay. Nice. Should I put it here? Should need. Let me kill this. Okay, let me kill this. Trying to test this thing. Echo. I don't think it worked actually. Oh, yeah, this is because I need to update. Oh yeah, there is bash profile. Then there is bash RC. Okay, let me try it again. Doesn't look like it executes bash RC. Hey. Let's add recommended things to bash profiles because OS is weird. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so it prints a bunch of different stuff. What the hell? Actually, know why it prints this. This is because we need a different command. We actually need something like oh, I found another problem. Okay, anyway, let's fix the first one, which is the problem with. So okay, right now login is done by simply printing everything to std out. Maybe we will fix this. So let's just put everything to hist log and let's redirect stdr to std out. Okay, so let me do echo 77. Right, and I'm pretty sure it will upload it. Okay, let's now try creating a bunch of different shells. Let's see what happens. And as you can see, it uploads the previous. The previous comment. This is because we use ID, process ID, a combination of process ID and history ID to uniquely identify a comment. Damn it. So we need something that executes after the comment. Okay, that's not what we need. We need to something like bash prompt. And that shell. Wow, that shell is actually has a lot more nicer things. There is pre-comment hook. Wow, that's really amazing. I'm pretty sure that they also have post-comment hook. Let's see. Or maybe not. That shell hooks. Okay. I'm not going to read Cloudberg's messages because maybe they're private. Periodic, pre-command, pre-exec. Okay, not really. There is pre-exec, pre-command. Oh, there is some nice pre-exec, which is exactly what we need. Oh, why Bash has no such niceness? Maybe there is. I don't know. Okay, apparently there is a way to do this. People. Maybe something like this. Maybe we should use something like this. Let's start this. It's a very nice function, and we may end up using this. Although maybe okay, let's see how they are implemented. Is this difficult to with the interactive component of its argument. Okay, this is going to I'm not sure we should use this. I need to think about it because the problem here is it is an external dependency. It's certainly nice to use something like this. But it's an external dependency. It's an extra dependency which makes using this script harder. Maybe it's possible to just using a trap. Okay, maybe we can use something really simple. I don't know, I need to think. Okay, I will go away from keyboard to pour myself some tea, and I will be back soon. A new version of OBS. Oops. Ah, what the hell? What did I just do? Okay, maybe I should have updated OBS. Where is it? I want to figure out if there is a way to show my mouse cursor. Yes! Yes, this is great. It fixes a bug in display capture where the show cursor property wouldn't do anything, and also caused the cursor to not get captured on SX. I need this. I definitely need this. Sorry, I need to install the update. So you will be able to see my mouse cursor. That's just yeah, finally. I have been waiting for this update for like several months. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's going to relaunch OBS, so I will be back in a moment. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm back. Look at that. I'm pretty sure you can see my cursor now. Yes. Yes. Fuck yeah. Finally, that's just so amazing. Yes. Okay. I need to go away from keyboard to pour myself some tea. I will be back in a moment. Um, Okay. Thanks for waiting. I'm back. So I thought a bit about using pre-exec hack in Bash, and I think that maybe I should use this. But well, I need to think more. So I decided that the current solution is good enough. So I guess it's time to work about on the interface. So oh, this kind of sucks that prompt command doesn't work the way it should. Okay, so let me also guess. Check this. Okay, let's go. So let's add some niceness. Let's add some support for removing comments. I think that removing comments is an important thing. So we literally, I mean, what happens if someone uploads something that shouldn't be uploaded? Oops, sorry. Yeah, and as you can see, it takes there is some sort of delay before the comment is uploaded or before the script is executed. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's see what do we need here. We need to open up the file, and we need to see. Again, we probably need to design a nice API. So we will need to do this, but for now, let's just learn how to handle the front end. It shouldn't be difficult, but yeah. Actually, I wanted to check something. Let's see. Okay, here's templates. Actually, no. Okay, well, let's just stick to the plan. Let's just implement delete command. Delete a command. Right, and let's pass ID here. Command ID. Actually, let's just do this. Int ID. If command is equals to command query get ID and get or 404, and methods should be just post. If it's a user, if current user is anonymous, abort 403. Oh, you're right. Thanks for the catch. You're right. It's command, not what it was. Okay. Current user is anonymous, or current user isn't equal to C user. Abort 404. Sure. Okay, use 0. Then db session delete C. Alright, and let's return the bare session commit, and let's return something like JSONify result from no. Okay. Again, this should be redesigned, but for now let's add something quick and dirty. I'm actually considering using maybe using the same API on the front end. So there will be API, and the front end will use the exact same API, just like just like any other client. And let's something like controls, and let's go and find a nice button. So we need a nice button. Bootstrap delete button. I think it's possible to use glyph icons. Okay, it's Rails. What's going? Is it soccer or I don't know? I don't follow sports. I'm sorry, I don't know even what sport were they playing. Oh, that's great. Is it already some sort of finals or semi-finals, or is it? I don't know. Oh, okay, quarterfinal. So next time it's semi-final. That's nice. Okay, icon. We need an icon, and an icon should be glyph icon remove. Bootstrap glyph icon button. I forgot how to use it. Shouldn't be hard. You just put a glyph icon thin inside the button. Is it the okay? Yeah. Okay, let's add a remove button here. GD. Let's format this nicely. Glyph icon. Oops. Glyph icon remove. Yeah, I understood this. Hope there are no shredders. I don't know. I have no idea how to pronounce Sweden or Sweden. I don't know. sorry, people from this country. I'm bad at English. Glyph icon. So we have a glyph icon, and now we need to add some JavaScript. I guess this should be refactored into a separate file already, but well, I'm still too lazy to do this. And let's add an ID, and an ID is going to be remove common button, remove command. C.id, and class is going to be button, remove command. Just in case, let's actually create this class, just in case there will be multiple buttons, multiple remove buttons. For example, if there are multiple tabs. So button remove command, click. I'm actually wondering if there is a better way to extract ID, like if there is a way to set some sort of attribute and not put it in the class or in the ID. Just button data. I know I'm a JavaScript noob, but I heard that there is something like this, data dash something. And I'm wondering if it's possible to create some sort of my own thing. So if anyone knows how to use this data thing, please let me know. I sort of have no idea, but I have a feeling that it will be a better way. I just don't want to parse this class. I could parse it, but it doesn't seem exciting. But meanwhile, let's just see how it looks like. Source data, some data, 5 data, some data equals to 5. So can I create arbitrary data, some data? Can I create data, but data command ID? Can I use this? So can I create my own data? Okay, that's great. It sounds like a much better options. Okay, today I learned something. So let's do this. Data command ID is equals to CID. Awesome. That's perfect. That's what I need. It's just perfect. So here I can do something like this. Do I need actually this? Maybe I need. Let's try it. This data command ID. Okay, thanks. I guess I'm right. I guess I was right when I wrote this. Command ID. What's the difference between typing var here and not typing var here? Like, what's the difference between these two options? I'm never able to remember this. I think there was a few minutes during these few minutes I was able to understand the difference between declaring a variable with var and declaring a variable without var. So I just tend to write var and not var somewhat arbitrary. I think it's sorry, I'm not really good at JavaScript. So we have a command ID here, and now we can use it to make an Ajax request. We just type something like that, delete command, okay, command. Wow, thank you. I guess I should let me read it. Alright. This is actually the function of the var keyword in JavaScript. What is the difference between var some fun? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to know. If you're in the global scope, then there is no difference. If you are in a function, then var will create a local variable. No var will look up the scope chain until it finds the variable hits the global scope, at which point it will create it. Oh, okay, so var using var creates a local variable, and I guess that's what I usually want, so yeah, okay, makes sense. So var declares variable in the current scope. If you're not doing an assignment, then you need to use var. Okay. That's actually pretty simple. I mean, so this does some fairly complex lookup, and this just declares a variable x in current scope. Okay, that makes sense. That's just great. Wondering if people can see the chat. I guess they can. Okay, there is so-called strict mode and opt-in language mode, which slightly change the behavior of declared assignments. Okay. It might be better to think of it. Okay, yeah, that's how I understand it now. Okay, thank you. I hope I will remember it forever. So yeah, let's set command ID here, and when it's done, it's just what should we do now? Okay, we need to, I guess, delete the corresponding TD or TR. Command row secret ID. Oh, how to delete it though? jQuery delete elements. My uptime LA is high as fuck. I'm wondering if this is because I'm streaming, or is it because I'm also trying to watch my own stream for unknown reason. Let's see if it fixes the LA issue. Now let's actually disable it here. Let's see what happens to uptime. To LA, sorry. Okay, it gets better. Okay, so my laptop is going to be more responsive because the LAD average is decreasing. Okay, so what do we need now? Okay, I wasn't removed. Yes, that's what we need here. Command row plus. Damn it! Yeah, I made another typo. Oh, what the hell? Okay, let's add remove here. Oh wow, LAD average is like 6 now, which is better. It's still not perfect. I'm actually wondering how to interpret LAD averages on multi-core system. Is there any difference? Should it always be 1? I mean, should I interpret values greater than 1 as some processes being starved from CPU time? So if LA is more than 1, does this mean that some processes are not getting CPU time? I need to read about this. Okay, command row plus command ID remove. Okay, let's use a hack to log in. Where is the login method? User query content bar name equals to. Okay, let's use a hack. Okay, let's remove this part. Let's see what's going on in my profile. Okay, so we have a remove comment here. Now I'm wondering why there is no watch minus n. Okay, now there is watch minus n. Oh, damn it. We definitely need to use prayer command. So yeah. Or is it or prayer exact? So we need to do this. Anyway. Anyway. Let's try deleting this uptime. Method not allowed. That's because we need to send a post. I'm actually wondering if sending pressing post here will work. Okay, now I'm not sure if it was deleted properly. Let's try deleting this Vim command. Okay, now it works. As you can see, it works. Let's try deleting some more comments. So nice, very nice. It works. Let's try using Bootstrap dialog. Maybe it's not Bootstrap dialog. I don't remember. Maybe it's Bootstrap alert. It's a very nice library. I have used it already. So will be better if something like transaction rollback. I mean delete, disable it with jQuery, then try to dot post. Then if it's okay, then delete it, otherwise revert back plus message. Will be nice. Oh, that's actually a good idea. Yes, I think you're right. Yeah, let's try disabling fail function that equals to this, that hide, that show. Let's see what if it works, and let's create throw an exception here. Just a random exception. Rise. Let's just do abort 400. So badge request. You need to hide before post. Oh, I guess you're right. Let's. Oh, true. Very true. Yes. Thanks for the catch. Okay, so we have abort 400 here, and let's just try. Okay, it reacts instantaneously, so I guess let's add sleep here. So from time import sleep 10. So let's sleep for 10 seconds. Let's simulate something like unresponsive network. Okay, it's hidden now. Okay, badge request. Let's use bootbox to show nice. Can I make a struct array? Don't remember. I think it's possible. If I remember correctly, it's okay. Or this closes the for what they're all. Or this parent hide. Oh, okay. So I know. Do you think that in this case it would be better to use something like this, or this closest hide? Okay. Okay, let's get bootbox JS CDN. I'm pretty sure you can get it from cdnjs.com. So let's add it to the base.html. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this example show. I don't know if it's going to work. Example not defined. Okay. Wondering how to define an example here. I don't have a good method of dealing with procrastination. I really don't. Streaming helps, by the way. When I stream, I never procrastinate. Well, almost never. Just because there are people watching, I can just go and play some Agar. But when I'm not streaming, I can just decide to play some new cool game. Like, I don't know, there was a game 20, so now, where is it? Where is it? Maybe it's in the show section. So this is another addictive game. I probably shouldn't post it here, but it's a great game. It's like I'm pretty sure it can be as a. Sorry, I had to. I'm an evil person. It's pretty addictive. If you have two other people who are watching this, this game is really addictive. It's like 2084. Okay, let's add a script here. Templates. Static. So let's create a new directory. Static. flow.js. Okay, let me fix this. Would box show LM isn't defined. Oh, damn it. Okay. But there is like okay, maybe it's necessary to add something like document ready. I don't know though. What box show is undefined. Okay, let's try this. LM is undefined. What the hell? Okay. Okay, I need to read about this thing. And I guess I will end the stream for now today. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I should add this today. Okay, let me try to fix this. Okay, I just want to use this nice script that shows this thing. Or maybe there is a way to use nice generic. I don't know. Let's try making this work. Script source. Wondering why it doesn't work. Okay, let's try it here. Let's see the source code. Bootbox static bootbox show.js, and there is this code, but it doesn't work. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. I guess we can do that. Oh damn it! Maybe it was a bad idea. Maybe it's much better to just show a normal Bootstrap alert. I don't know. Yeah, let's just delete this function. Bootbox.js is just a really nice thing, but let's not use this bootbox show thing. rm-rf static. Okay. Bootstrap fade alert message. I'm wondering if it's possible to create a new alert, or if I should have something like this, a predefined alert. I don't know. I guess I will figure out it later. I'm kind of tired, and I need to read a bit about JavaScript and Bootstrap and how things work. So I guess I can commit this and end the stream. Okay, let's remove this. Let's do some cleanup. UI for deleting a comment. Okay, I committed this to the yeah, I pushed this to GitHub. So you can read the code on my GitHub. I will post it here. So yeah, and I will end the stream now. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow.